Keep going.
Open up. Open up.
She might want some juice.
Good girl.
You have to tip it up just a little bit.
Open up. Here we go.
Okay, now make her clap. Show her how you clap. If you're happy and you know it, clap. That's right. Good girl.
Open up.
Good job, Abby. You were a big helper. Yummy. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Yay!
Open up. Good girl.